Hello, my aspiring VAs. Welcome back to the Aspiring VA series, your gateway to soaring in the digital realm. I am Cranberry, your seasoned guide on this journey, and today's episode is all about propelling your career to new heights. This is episode 10. Get ready to unlock the doors to success as we explore scaling your VA business, the path to expanding your career, and embracing fresh opportunities. Your career journey is like scaling a mountain. Each step takes you higher. Let's explore the importance of continuous learning and development, from mastering new skills to staying updated with industry trends. Elevating your expertise is the key to commanding higher rates and attracting premium clients. Consider a virtual assistant who specializes in project management. By obtaining certifications in project management and adopting tools like Asana and Trello, you will showcase your dedication to excellence and gain a competitive edge. Your personal brand is your professional signature and it speaks volumes. We'll explore how to refine your brand identity, showcase your unique strengths, and build a portfolio that's a testament to your accomplishments. Remember, a strong personal brand resonates with clients and collaborators. Imagine you're an expert in email marketing. Your personal brand could emphasize your proficiency in crafting engaging campaigns that yield high open rates. Use your portfolio to highlight real case studies and results that demonstrate your impact. The power of networking is your launchpad to new opportunities. Strategic networking opens doors to collaborations, referrals, and even partnerships. So, by connecting with professionals in your industry, you will expand your circle and tap into a wealth of knowledge. Attend virtual conferences. This is so important, guys. Attend virtual conferences, attend webinars and industry related events to your niche. Engage in conversations, contribute insights, and build relationships. This network can lead to joint ventures, cross promotions, and unexpected doors of opportunity. Diversification is your secret weapon against monotony and risk. Expanding your skill set and offering complementary services can multiply your avenues for success. By branching out, you not only attract a wider client base, but also create a safety net for your career. Let's say you excel in content writing. By learning graphic design or social media management, you can offer clients comprehensive content packages that cater to their multifaceted needs. Diversification positions you as a one-stop shop. Guys, are you ready to elevate your virtual career? Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for more career insights, and tap that notification bell to stay ahead in this ever evolving virtual assistant space. Well, that's a wrap for this week's episode. Remember, scaling your VA business is your compass to expanding your horizons and embracing the endless opportunities and possibilities of the virtual world. Join me next time for a special wrap-up episode where we'll celebrate your journey and share final wisdom for this season on your ongoing success. Until then, remember, your career is a canvas waiting for your vibrant strokes of achievement. As usual, I'm your girl Cranberry, signing off until next time. Bye-bye.